Okay, just a quick video today because I had an idea and I also have a request for you. Now, I was chatting with loyal viewer and frequent commenter David Berry. Hello David, thanks for watching. And he suggested a tequila, Ancho Reyes, and onion drink. Apparently he loves the onions. So I thought, you know what, that would be good as a hot drink. Especially if you put Suze in it, because Suze and tequila are amazing. Alright, check this out. Okay, so, I mean, pretty good. This is a little bit of a weird one. Savory, you know, with all that onion in it. The onion really pops through pretty good. But if you like onion, you can put some more of it, more onion in. You can handle more. I think a little bit of honey really helps it out in terms of being not too savory, I guess. Suze and tequila are terrific together. One of my favorite combos. It's lending a real nice herbal twist to this. Not super spicy from the Ancho Reyes, but a little bit at the end, sort of in the back of your throat. Yeah, man. So I'm fairly confident y'all out there have been making up drinks. Everyone likes to make up drinks, right? Put your recipes down in the comments. I want to try them out let me fix that for you. I got a few at the beginning and, you know, I need more. I need more drinks to try. All right, thanks. Thanks for tuning in.